We are pleased to show you the 2021 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, aluminum wheels, running boards, heated side mirrors, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, mirror memory, traction control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
DeMontrond wants to serve our community while protecting our valued customers and employees.
So we're announcing DeMontrond Direct for sales and service through DeMontrond.com.
Shop from home, finance from home, and have your vehicle picked up and delivered directly to your driveway.
Also, take advantage of historic customer incentives from all of our great brands.
And with DeMontrond's no questions asked 3-day return policy, your complete satisfaction is guaranteed.
And don't forget about DeMontrond's exclusive warranty forever.
DeMontrond.com, your safe and convenient auto solution.